Thinking about getting a reptile but worried about the care involved? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today we're going to dive into the 5 low maintenance reptiles that are perfect for beginners. Reptiles make amazing pets, but not all of them are easy to care for. That's why I made this list of 5 reptiles that are good for beginners. These reptiles are hardy and don't have complicated care routines like some of the more complicated reptiles. So let's get into it. First up is the leopard gecko. These guys are absolute favorites among beginners for good reason. They're smart, don't need much space, and can live in a simple 20-gallon tank. Plus, they don't need UVB lighting, which makes them affordable to set up. They also have a calm temperament and are super easy to handle. Just feed them insects like crickets or mealworms 3 to 4 times a week, and you're good to go. Next, we have the corn snake. Known for their docile nature, these snakes are a breeze to care for. They're excellent eaters, they thrive on frozen thawed mice, and only need to be fed about once a week. With a simple setup, which includes a tank with a hide, a water dish, and some climbing branches, you'll have a happy snake. They're also great for people who want a pet they can handle occasionally. Number 3 is the bearded dragon. While they might need a bit more space, a 40-gallon tank is ideal. They're incredibly friendly and interactive. These guys love basking and are fun to watch. They're omnivores, you'll feed them a mix of insects and fresh vegetables, keep their UVB and basking spot in check, and they're a joy to have. Coming in at number 4 is the ball python, like the one I have here in this video. The ball python is a classic choice for snake lovers. These snakes are shy and prefer to curl up in their hides, making them great for people who want a low-key pet. Feed them a frozen thawed mouse once every 1 to 2 weeks, and they're good to go. Just make sure that their tank has consistent heat and humidity, and they'll thrive. Last but not least is the crested gecko. These little climbers don't need a heat lamp in most room temperatures and can live in a vertical enclosure, which is perfect for small spaces. They eat a powdered diet with water, so there's no need for live feeders if you don't want them. Low effort and super adorable, what more could you ask for? So there you have it, 5 amazing reptiles that are perfect for beginners. Whether you're into geckos, snakes, or dragons, there's a low maintenance pet out there for you. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. It really helps out a lot, guys. If you want to see more content with my ball python, just comment that below. Until next time, stay cool.